What's up, YouTube? How y'all doing today? Woody here. Not smoking anything currently because I got a YABO to do right quick. 2 videos back, I was talking about snuff. This one is one that I got from my local B&M. And in the process of talking about it, I was asking for suggestions and whatnot. And I received an offer from Prototyper John. He offered to send me a bunch of samples, and they came today. I'm not going to show you that side because it's got pertinent information, but anyways, I figured I'd do a YABO right quick. Gonna open it with my Leatherman, my Beat the Hell Leatherman. But let's see here. See if we can get in this and see what we got. Now basically what he said was he was going to send me, he had acquired a bunch.
You got me.
Huh?
You got me.
Kendra being a smart ass.
Ladies.
Not yet, I'm doing a freaking video.
I know.
So get out of here, you jerk. Anyways, it says, hey Woody, here's the snuff I told you about. They are all relatively new, fresh. I bought most of them around March. I hope you find something you like. I love your channel, Prototyper. Thank you very much. And it basically came in another bag, so went from box to bag, which is cool. Sorry, I'm not looking at the screen enough right now, but I don't got a whole lot of room out here to do anything. Yeah. And that interruption there a few minutes ago was my daughter, baby girl, Kendra.
I'm so sorry.
Yeah, whatever. No, you're not.
No, I'm not.
We got more of this downstairs. Just got like 8 ounces in it today.
That's
Holy crap, dude.
oh my Jesus.
That right there is a shit ton of snuff. I am sure I will find a bunch. Well, I'm not going to sit here and sniff them all, but I'll go through it right quick. We got Silver Dollar. Sweet as honey, Dr. or dry snuff, sorry. Red Bull, strong snuff. Raspberry snuff, another Silver Dollar. The other one was medicated. I'm sure you guys saw that before I did. Some peach. Corona Boost. Man, that's a lot of shit, dude. Crazy. Pine Menthol, a Christmas pinch from Sam Gawith.
Merry Christmas.
Thor's Hammer. Another Sam Gawith, Genuine English. Another Silver Dollar. This one's original. Hedges L260. Look at all this shit. Sam Gawith, Elmo's Reserve. Another Wilson of Shadows, Best Dark. Some stuff I can't read. But anyways, there you go. And another one. Right on, John. Thank you very, very much. I truly appreciate it. Man, this is going to be awesome. I definitely will end up finding something that I like. So, thank you very much. To the rest of you, have a great holiday weekend. Don't forget Monday to remember those fallen for our freedom. Deuces.